Okay, today in Two Bros Kitchen we're going to show you this really useful food washer that we use on everything that comes into our kitchen now. It's so important that we wash our food because we've got all kinds of contaminants on the food, whether it's organically grown or not. We've got the radiation, radioactive fallout, we've got chemicals from the Gulf, we've got chemtrail residue, in addition to just other airborne particulate that's fallen on the food. So some foods are easy to clean with a brush and you can do a pretty good job on them, but others like leafy greens, they'll tear, they're really delicate, so you can't really clean them with a brush like you can, say, root vegetables. So this device is an ultrasonic food washer, and it uses ultrasound, and it uses ozone, and it also has ionic silver. I'm going to show you. This is the unit, and this is the sound head that creates the ultrasound that vibrates the particles loose from the food. There's little holes in the ring that ozone is bubbled out of, and then in the actual body of the unit itself is ionic silver. So it kills any kind of microorganisms, breaks down chemicals into harmless components, carbon dioxide and water, and vibrates the dirt off, as I mentioned, and makes it much safer to consume. Now also, while the food is soaking in the water, it gets more hydrated and it lasts longer and it tastes better too. So I'm going to fill this with water and show you how to use it. Okay, we're back. We've got our water in our unit and we're ready to go. Now normally you put this in your sink and use it there, because you can drain it right there and fill it easily. For ease of videotaping, we're doing it here, so you're not looking at my back while I'm talking to you. So we've got it full, ready to go. So we're going to take our basket and place it inside here. We've got some corn and carrots I'm going to put in here. And I've got some green leafies. Look at this kale. This is really nice. So I've got just lay these right on top in here. You can do the greens by themselves or you can do them with others. I'm going to put the top on here so it holds it under the water slightly. Turn the power on and it sings to you. And we hit one of these buttons. You can even wash your jewelry and dishes and things with the ultrasound in here, but we're going to do the 7-minute cycle. Now it's on and the ultrasound is working and the ozone is bubbling in, and it's going to run through 7-minute cycle. Turn off. You just take your basket out, let the water drip, and you're done. You'll see the residue laying on the bottom. You can use it, same water, for several loads, and then you empty it out. But this is so important for keeping your food clean. Now with the scare of this new bioengineered super E. coli that's being distributed to trying to scare people away from organic food, it looks like you could put your food in here and clean it. The ionic silver and the ozone will kill any pathogens like that and make it safe to eat, as well as the chemtrail residue and the fallout, nuclear fallout from the Fukushima disaster. There's 3 confirmed meltdowns, complete meltdowns and melt-throughs that have happened. So there's tons of radiation that have come over here as a result of that, and it's all over everything. So this is very important that you have one of these to keep your food clean.